Hello students, now we will see the experiment number 6, that is there of ladder program to bring the LED. Now this is the requirement of PLC. This is experiment setup. This is experimental setup where we will turn on and off this LED after 1 second. Now this is experimental setup and this is the ladder diagram. In this ladder diagram we will connect the input switch to the input 0/0 and output LED is connected to the output 0/0. Now when the input switch is turned on, when both the conditions turn on, that is input switch and this is the counter 5, both the conditions turn on, then LED will turn on. In a B5 output bit B5 output will B3 0/0 is turned on, then timer will be turned on. This timer will increase from accumulator value 0 to 1. In this time, this is when the timer in the transit state and bit B3 is on. When both the conditions turn on, LED is connected at output 0/0 is turned on. This output will be turned, this LED will be turned on for only 1 second. When accumulator value reaches from 0 to 1, this timer DN bit will be activated. When timer DN bit will be activated, then the timer, this is timer off, this is timer on. Timer off is turned on. When accumulator values increases from 0 to 1, then this timer off will be activated. When timer 1, this timer value is timer 401 and this timer value is 040 T40. When this timer off is activated, that is timer 41 is activated, then it reset the timer 4, that is this timer 4 on bit. So the LED connected at the output O/LED will be turned on. Then at next level, when D3 bit is on and timer will be on, then it will turn on the counter. Then counter value increases from 0 to 1. At that time, it will check this condition. When counter C5 increases from 0 to 1, then it will turn on the done bit. When accumulator value reaches from 0 to 1, then it will turn on the counter. When input switch is on, out counter is on, then it will again turn on the B3 bit. Then this cycle is continuously on and off the LED, which is connected at the output O:0/0. So the LED will turn on and off continuously. The LED will remains turned on for 1 second, and after 1 second it will turn off. Then this cycle is continuously turn on and off the LED. This is the experimental setup. Now this LED is off. This LED will be on. This LED on and off after every 1 second. Okay, this is the experiment number 6. This is output. And the conclusion. From to blink LED continuously for the 60 times, LED will on and off 1 second and on and off for the 1 second. Okay. Thank you.